Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you course A, and we're going to come down to lesson 9, loops with Laurel. We're going to start with the first video, the collector, and you get to watch this on your own when you sign into code.org. Basically, you'll be introduced to Laurel, who is the adventurer. You're going to move her around and get as much treasure as you can. So drag the blocks into the workspace and get one item to pass this level. Click OK up here. So just like last time, there is a goal right here. If you see 0/1, that means 0 out of 1. So the goal here is just to get this one gem, or look at the second number. So here's Laurel. If my goal is just to get this first gem, I'm going to go east, and you will see there is a new block called Get Gem. I'm going to click Run. East, Get Gem. So right here, it says I successfully accomplished my goal, 1/1. You can click Reset or Finish. If you want to click Reset, you can try to collect 3 out of 1 or more than they expect you to. Or if you're satisfied, click Finish. Click Continue. In Puzzle 3, the goal is to get 3 out of 3. So right now, Laurel did not collect any gems. She needs to collect 3. So how can we help Laurel collect these 3 gems? This one is a little tricky. I want you to pause the video at this moment and think about it. When you're ready, unpause. In this puzzle, you need to go forward, east to get here, right? And you could use the step button to help you. East so far. Okay, so far so good. It's getting closer to the gem, but we didn't collect the gem yet. I need to move east again. Reset. Click step, east. And remember, in these puzzles, you have to use the command block, get gem, so that Laurel picks up the gem. She doesn't know not to. I'm going to click run, forward, east, get gem. Awesome, so far she got 1 gem out of the 3. Now let's try to program her to get the other 2. Click reset, east, get gem, east, get gem. All right, I'm going to run this. East, get gem, east, get gem. Woohoo! I'm going to click replay because I want to show you something else. Right here, it's 3 out of 3. Awesome. Now I'm going to click reset because I want you to come and look at this set of code. Do you notice any patterns or any place that the blocks repeat itself? If you don't, I'm going to point it out. You could pause the video and think about it. So you might have noticed that east, get gem, these 3 sets of blocks get repeated 1, 2, 3 times. So in this case, we're going to use something called a repeat block. And it says repeat. I'm going to put east and get gem inside the repeat block. And right here it says 3. Well, let me just double check. 1 set, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, 1 set, 2 set, 3 set. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to put it on the side just to remind myself, but let's see if this works. East, get gem, east, get gem, east, get gem. Awesome. Good job. So I'm going to toss these blocks out and reset. 1, 2, 3. And click awesome, click finish. All right, so we're coming to the 4th video. It's going to talk about the repeat block, which I just showed you. You can watch this video on your own and then click continue. In this puzzle 5, you can see right here, there is a video with hints if you need hints. And I want you to make sure you read the instructions. How can Laurel get all 5 piles of treasure using only 1 east block? Now, if this is too challenging, just look at Laurel, right? She has to go east, right? And pick up the gem. Let's test if this works. East, get gem. Awesome. So when she moved forward and picked up a gem, it looks like she can do it 4 more times. So I can say east, get gem. But when I pulled out the second east block, look what happened. There's a yellow exclamation mark here. That means I used too many blocks. And if I look up here, my workspace, it says 5 out of 4, and the 5 is in yellow, which means I used way too many blocks. I have to only use a max, or at most, 4 blocks. So I'm going to throw this out because I can use something special called a repeat block, just like a loop, right? So Laurel, the collector, she can move east and collect the gem. How many times? Let's count the gems. Let me reset first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gems right here. Awesome. I'm gonna click run. East collect, east collect, east collect, east collect, and east collect. Good job, boys and girls. Click continue. In puzzle 6, you might notice that when you come to this puzzle, there are already blocks underneath when run. Repeat 5 times, east, then get gem. So whenever you see blocks that's already in the workspace, I would suggest clicking the run button. Just to see what happens. 2, 3, 4. So looking at the goal, it says it collected 4 out of the 5 gems. But right here in the repeat, it went past the 4 gems and there's still a gem left right here. So you can pause and think about how you can debug this program. What new blocks do you need to add to this, or what things you might need to change? And then when you're ready, unpause. So thinking about this puzzle, I'm going to change this to 4 because it looks like Laurel only needs to walk east 4 times. 2, 3, 4. And after walking east 4 times and collecting the gem, I feel that she needs to go south and collect gem. So there's also a slight guidance here where you see there's in the gray circle, there's 0 for east. That means there are no more east block to use. And for south, I just pull the south block out. So I'll show you again. Before I pull the south block out, there is the number 1, meaning you can only use 1 south block. Okay? If there's no numbers there, that means you could use as many as you need. But think about which ones you need before you complete your puzzle. So going back to our algorithm here, we are going to repeat 4 times going east and then going south. Let's see if this works. Yay, good job. For puzzle 7, I want you to try it on your own using the tips that you learned from the previous puzzles. For puzzle 8, I will also like you to try it on your own and debug this program. And the hint I'm going to give you for puzzle 8 is you might need to use a repeat block. So keep an eye out for that. I would like you to try 9 and 10 on your own, and I'm going to work with you on puzzle number 11, which is a challenge puzzle. And so in the challenge, the treasure goes all the way up to these stairs. Write the code to help Laurel get it all. So here's Laurel, and our goal is to get 12 of these gems. Now let's see if we can find a pattern. Okay, you can pause this video to think about it. Okay, I will get you started. It looks like she has to go east and pick up gem 2 times, right? So east get gem, east get gem. I could use a repeat block if I wanted to. And I would say do this 2 times. I could run and test it out. Awesome. And it looks like I have to go north 2 times. So I'm going to use a repeat block. I'm going to say 2. And north 2 times and collect gem. North 1, 2. It looks like I have to go east again, then north again, then east again, then north again. Oh boy. So it looks like I'm just repeating this over and over again. Let's just keep building this. And you can do what I'm doing, or if you have a better strategy or a system, go ahead and try that too. Okay? All right, let's see what I'm up to. I'm going to reset and see if this is good so far. So coders always check themselves along the way, because sometimes you can fix the problems early. Awesome, so far so good. And so I'm going to use another repeat. Where I am, Laurel standing right there. Go east 2 times and put a gem in. And then last repeat, I believe, put 2, and this shall successfully bring us to the end. Now, before I click reset and complete, I will also want you to take a look at my code here. East 2 times, north 2 times, east 2 times, north 2 times, east 2 times, north 2 times. Oh boy, do you see any patterns? Now, this is actually a very challenging task. And so we haven't spoken about this yet, but if you're up for the challenge, this is a repeat within a repeat, a loop within a loop. So this is 1 repeat, 2 repeat, 3 repeats. So if I have a repeat of a repeat 3 times, this means the same exact thing. But don't worry, if you don't understand this, it's okay. Okay, I'm just challenging you if you want to explore a little further or try different ways. But what we originally planned out is absolutely fine. You don't need to use the repeat within the repeat. But let's see what happens. Reset and see if it works. Awesome. Good job, boys and girls. I'm going to click finish. Click continue. Okay, I want you to try puzzle 12 and 13 on your own. Right here, I'm at puzzle 14. Now, this might look like a lot of gems for you to collect. Yes, if you want to go for this challenge, please do try to figure a way to collect all the gems. But to complete this one, the goal is just to pick up 1 gem. So that's all you have to do. Okay? When you reach the flag, you have completed lesson 9, and you're more than welcome to try lesson 9 challenges, these 2 bonus levels. All right, good luck, happy coding. I'm so excited to see what you can do. Talk to you later.